Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's that time of the month again where we receive the BOXYCHARM subscription. I already went ahead and opened it because whatever, okay? I suck with surprises. I just can't wait. I'm impatient, all right? Anyway, so this month we got 6 full items and it includes a pair of lashes. Look at that. And by the way, almost everything that I'm wearing today I've gotten in the subscriptions boxes of BOXYCHARM. Anyway, so these lashes are from Baddington Lashes, and it is in the style, I don't really know. Let me see. It brings like a little paper. Monroe Silk Lashes. And these are mink. They feel amazing, by the way. Super just beautiful and wispy. They kind of feel like the baby version of the Miami from Lily Lashes. The next thing is a set of brushes from Luxie Cosmetics, and let's see, it is a foundation brush, tapered highlighting face brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. Jesus, sorry guys. So let's open this bad boy up. I actually have not used any of these brushes. I should have. I totally spaced out on the fact that I had brushes to try on for my bake and highlight, but whatever, no problem. I love the color of these brushes. It's like a pink. They feel so soft. One of these is supposed to be the highlighting brush. I mean, that's a pretty big highlighting brush. I think I would use this more to like pat some loose translucent powder like underneath my eyes or something. I don't know that I would use this one exactly. Cause see, I like the Morphe one because it's kind of like this, but definitely way smaller. See? Do you see that? Like way smaller. It looks like, it feels like or it looks like a bigger fluffy brush, like blending brush, but it's really for your highlight. So the next item is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro, or Janeiro, I don't know. It is infused with all-powerful guarana extract. So it's a cream, and it's a body cream, and it's supposed to leave your skin smooth and tight, and it has a pistachio caramel fragrance. Oh my goodness gracious, it smells so good. I'm gonna put some on my hands. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells like, no shade, but it just smells like one of those splashes from like Victoria's Secret. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells really good. Pistachio caramel. I've never had anything else that had that fragrance combination. The next item is an eyeliner. It is black, shade charcoal, from Jonteblu waterproof eyeliner pencil. It is 100% vegan, so it is supposed to be very smooth. Let's see. Oh, it's really smooth for a pencil like this, not like one of those retractable ones, but like this is like a pencil. Look at that. And this is charcoal. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it's not black. It's like, see, I don't see, it's a charcoal, because that's black. This is like a whole nother color. It's like a really, really, really dark gray. Then we have the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. And I'm gonna swatch it. Don't really have a smell. It feels very creamy. It's a really nice color too. Pretty. We're gonna just leave that on a little bit to dry and see if it like gets dry or what happens. Like really, really dry, you know. The last item in this box is something I am truly excited about. I actually am a huge fan of Gabby. She created this. I'm like really excited about this next item in the box. I'm a really big fan of Gabby. She's one of the makeup artists at BOXYCHARM. I think she's actually the head makeup artist there. And she created this palette. She's working from her basement, and that's fucking ridiculously amazing. Or her garage, something like that. But that's really amazing. It is called the Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. That means that there's going to be another volume, and I'm excited about it. And it says in the back a cute little thing why it was inspired, and it was inspired by Cuba. She's a Hispanic, she's of Hispanic descent. So now this palette, I love it. I actually thought it was gonna feel a little bit flimsy, but it feels like a book, like a light book, like a very small thin book, but it feels heavy. It feels really nice. I love the writing on it too, by the way. Then when you open it, you have a little protective film, and these are the colors of the Reina del Caribe palette. I'm truly excited about these two shades up here, La Costa and Malecón. So as usual, we're going to use all of the things in this box to create a makeup look, and in this case it's going to be the lipstick, the pencil, the lashes, and the makeup palette, which I'm really excited about. So keep on watching and let's see what look I come up with. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Coco Taxi right here, this one, and I'm going to well, first I have to prime my lid, which I always forget about. Now I like to do one eye at a time. That's everyone's preference is different, but the reason why I like to do one eye at a time is because it allows me to use the concealer on my eyelid when it's wet rather than when it's dry, to allow the pigment in the eyeshadow to like come out more. I don't like to set it. Some people like to set it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really just depends on the mood. So we're gonna go again with the shade Coco Taxi. We're gonna tap some of the excess and we're going to just put that in the crease. That's super pretty. With another brush, a much smaller one, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab the shade Tropico right here. I'm just trying to put the shadow on, like pack on the shadow a bit, and then I'm gonna grab that same brush with the Coco Taxi, grab a little bit more, and I'm gonna blend those two colors out. Pretty. I like that. I like that right now. And then I'm gonna grab an even smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into that shade Cafecito, and I'm gonna deepen my crease. I'm gonna grab Coco Taxi and Tropico, tap away the excess, and blend in that brown. Yeah, that's pretty. So I'm gonna grab the shade La Costa and Malecon, and I'm gonna swatch it because I'm not sure exactly which one I want to use, and they're so creamy. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so this one right here is Malecon, El Malecon, and this one right here is La Costa. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like El Malecon. So I think I'm gonna grab that one and use it on my my lid, and then highlight for the inner corner and brow bone with La Costa. I was reading in the little pamphlet thing, and it says that the best way is to pack this on like with a wet brush. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wet the brush, then I'm gonna dip into the shade El Malecon, and let's see the pigment. That's pretty. It's pretty, but let me see, maybe I need to grab first, then wet. Is that it? Oh, that works so much better. I'm gonna grab the brush that we used first, and grab a little Coco Taxi and use that all to blend out. To smoke out the lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab the pencil. Or waterline, my bad. Then I'm gonna grab the shade Guantanamera. And blend that on my bottom lash line. Kind of dragging it up a bit. Want to blend that out. Then with an even smaller brush, I'm going to grab the shade Cafecito. Go even closer. Grab the shade La Costa and highlight inner corner of my eye. Oh, that's beautiful. It's really pretty. I really like the pigment on these colors. This palette is very well pigmented. That's beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and I'm gonna do the other eye, then I'm going to apply my liner, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the lashes. All right, so because this shade seems nude, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go with a MAC pencil in the shade Subculture. Go ahead and apply. I really like this color. So you guys, this is the final look. So you guys know the drill already. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. And if you want to get notified anytime I post my new videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will leave down below in the description box everything that I used to create this look today, not just the things that came in the box. Have a blessed day.